In this tutorial we're going to go over how we take a set of scanned images taken equally spaced apart and combine them into one whole image. In this case we have a 3x2 HREM image, and we're going to combine them in the stitching tool software. So first thing we're going to do is go to the row column custom stitcher tab, and we're going to click browse. Navigate to the folder that contains the images that you want to stitch together. In this case we want to select an image taken after the first image, so we'll take the second image, or we could take the third image. So we'll take the second image and we'll take the first image. These two images have to be next to each other. Then we're going to go to the Create tab and we're going to move along these images until they match. It does require a bit of skill, but it's something that you can get used to, and you can use the fine adjustments on the keyboard to get it perfect. So I know I have 3 images per row, so I'm going to put 3 in this box up here, and I'm going to click Create Row. Now we can see that the stitch is built up. Now they're combined into 2 nice columns. I'm going to then combine the 2. So I can't see any seams, don't worry, this black bit will go behind this image here, and we'll click Create Whole Stitch. And now it's going to build up. And I can't see any of the seams or any blurring where they're not quite correct. If that was the case, you would have to redo it until you have it perfect. So now we've used this transformation, we're going to apply it to a whole Z stack full of images, and this will use this transformation over all of the stack, giving you a perfectly aligned whole 3D stack, just like you usually would in a HREM dataset. So I'm going to click Apply to Stack and navigate to my folder. So here is the folder that I've navigated to, and I have a whole list of images inside. Each one of these contains a 3x2. Now I've found a folder to save my data into. I'm going to put a prefix here, so literally I'll put the word prefix, underscore, and then after this each image will be saved with a pad of zeros and 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And I'm going to use the TIFF file format, and I'm going to click Save. Now it's just going to go through my whole image stack and apply the transformation that we've calculated to the whole thing. So now the stitcher has completed combining the stack, and we've just got a small one here, so just 5 images, and we can see all of the detail that has come out through the stitcher. And when we click to the next image, it all perfectly aligns on the Z.